which we will be doing it to for my son and my wife. Back home in India, we used to have a veggie burger in a McD, Burger King, and a KFC. They used to be very yummy. Okay, being a vegetarian family and eating a vegetable burger was a very great thing for us. We used to venture out every week and eat loads of them. Okay, but the moment we migrated to Australia, there is no very good veggie burger in either a McD or a KFC or a Hungry Jack's or anywhere of all these outlets. So because we miss that taste,
we made
we made our own veggie burger, which have a melange of all the veggies like carrot, green peas, potatoes, and green beans, and some spices. These are the buns which I had smeared up with some butter. I will be putting it up on the hot plate so that they become crispy. They need to be crispy, and this is the veggie burger which we do. We don't fry it, we just do shallow fry it.
Because it's already fried, but we just do that.
Because it's been cooked, so we want it to be just only crispy rather than getting a burger which is fully submerged in grease or a fat. This is how we like it. See?
Why did you put the paper towel on the table?
So that if what all oil is there, I can take it out on the hot plate. See, you can feel
The butter is melting.
the butter is melting. The butter will give it a color and the taste. Okay, and slowly the patty here. Why are you going there, man? See, the burger is happening.
The patty and the buns. Both of them are going good right now. Okay, so we do
See the golden color coming up slowly. We have to cook it on a very slow flame so that it's hot from inside also. It does not just give a color from outside, but it should be hot from outside also. And these are the basic ingredients what we have for the burger. So we have some peri mayo, some mayo, onion, tomatoes, carrots, some cheese, and some lettuce and cucumber. See, my daughter, she knows that there's cheese on the table. She want to climb up every time, and she want to have the bite of the cheese. So she knows.
where to get it.
Yeah, at the time when we are doing the video, if she will come, no one will say anything, and she can have it. Well, I'm very much sure she is being occupied right now because I gave her a piece of a cucumber. But surely, the moment she finishes, she will be on top of this, and she wants cheese. See it?
More cheese, more cucumber, more everything.
See it? See the color?
Gold color.
So, and it's becoming hot,
Crispy.
crispy. You can feel the flavor. See, this is it have very less amount of oil in it. We are just shallow frying it. We don't want to fry it up, deep fry it. You want to make it a healthy version. So it have all the veggies, less of potatoes. And it's whenever we make this burger, we make some 10 to 15 numbers of them and then freeze it in our fridge. Whenever time arises and when we want to have a burger, we just take out some. We shallow fry it, and boom, it goes on to the toasted buns, which will be having some cucumber, tomatoes, onions, lettuce. See the buns are hot. They have that smell from the butter, the rich aroma. In the meantime, your patty is been getting cooked up. So what I will do, because I need the base of the burger to be lined up here. So this is how I build up my burger. Some mayonnaise at the bottom. some iceberg lettuce. You can put any kind of a lettuce. I personally prefer eating iceberg because it's more crispy than the others, and it's slightly yellowish. I need to season it with some salt and pepper. Some salt on it. Then comes the time for my tomatoes. Some
My sister's back for some cheese.